Hey guys, David Villa here with Bill Cole Automall in Bluefield. Listen, it's Black Friday, Cyber Monday. It's all of that plus more. From now through the end of the month, it's a blowout sale that you're going to want to take notes because there's a lot for you in the next minute or so. Let me just tell you what we can start with. 0% financing for 84 months. Listen, there's people doing 0 for 60, 0 for 72. Not here at Bluefield, not here. 0% for 84 months. That's unprecedented. Not only that, pre-owned inventory as low as $2,995. Pre-owned as low as $2,995 and rebates as high as $6,000. Not only that, listen, we're doing a lot of other advertising. We're doing some mail. We're doing a lot of messaging out there. So stay tuned. Check your mailbox for a chance to win $25,000 cash. Listen, comment below and our team will give you more info on that right here in this Facebook post. Not only that, you can register to win a 2013 Jetta for free. We're giving it away, so make sure you register for the cash and the car. Check your mailbox and comment below. We want to feed you. That's right. J&Z Grilling Food Truck will be on site every single day from today through the end of the month. Listen, we want you to be happy. Here's the deal. The banks and lenders have come to the table. They've eased credit. So bankruptcies, repossessions, bad credit, slow credit, no credit, not a problem. We're going to pay top dollar for your vehicle, $4 grand over Kelly Blue Book. Why? Because we'll buy yours even if you don't buy ours, and your vehicle's worth a lot of money, more than it's ever been worth. So get down here right away to Bill Cole Automall in Bluefield for now, Black Friday, Cyber Monday, the whole shebang, and make sure you take advantage of the amazing, almost insane deals that are going on down here. Come on.